Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is AppGeeker. Today's video will talk about how to reset disabled iPhone without iTunes. There are 3 things we have to prepare: cable, computer, and iPhone. First of all, go to appgeeker.com and find iPhone Unlocker. Click Free Trial. After downloaded the software, click Wipe Passcode. Click Start. Connect to your iPhone. For iPhone 11, we have to press and release the volume up. Press and release the volume down. And hold the side button. Let's try. Connect your iPhone. Volume up. Volume down. Hold the side button. The Apple logo will flash. Keep holding until you see Connect to Computer. When you successfully connected to your iPhone, choose iPhone 11, and start. When the firmware package finished downloading, enter 4 times 0 to unlock. Now you can see the disabled iPhone has been reset as a new one. Let's try to quick start your iPhone. This is AppGeeker about how to unlock disabled iPhone 11 without iTunes. See you in next video.